In a series of coordinated search operations, security forces have conducted extensive area domination exercises in the fringe and vulnerable areas of Manipur's hill and valley districts, resulting in significant recoveries of arms and ammunition and a dismantling of illegal structures. During operations in Kadangmand, Imphal West District, security forces made substantial recoveries including 1 Heckler & Koch assault rifle, 1 self-loading rifle, 1 carbine, 3 .32 pistols, 1 9mm pistol, 12-inch single-barrel guns. Additionally, security forces dismantled 1 illegal bunker in the same area, further ensuring the safety and security of the district. Simultaneously, operations in Tera Karong village in Imphal district led to the seizure of 2 country-made rifles, 5 HE-36 hand grenades, 4 detonators, 1 stun grenade, 2 tear gas cells. In efforts to secure essential supply routes, security forces have ensured the safety movement of 64 and 225 vehicles along National Highway number 37 and National Highway number 2, respectively. These convoys carried essential items and were provided with strict security measures, particularly in vulnerable locations, to guarantee their safe passage. Meanwhile, today from 4:30 a.m. till 6:30 a.m. conducted search, area domination, patrolling and checking at Napet village, Mamang and Maning areas by combined team of D-37 BSF led by Assistant Commandant J.S. Bishant, NG Roman Singh, MPS, SDPO Lamlai, OC Lamlai Police Station team, including women police and including 3 CDO teams of Imphal District Police under the overall supervision of Superintendent of Police Imphal, and checked and searched at 80 houses and verified 240 persons. However, no arrest and seizure and unwanted incidents reported.